Assalamu alaikum class. So today topic under discussion is report writing. So first of all, you should know about the meaning of report writing. That word basically report writing stands for. So it is a written record of something, and it is defined as we could say it is a structured document that describes and examines an event or an incident, and we could say it is a short document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Fine, like हम कह सकते हैं कि ये structure document होता है जो कि डिस्क्राइब करता है या एग्ज़ामिन करता है किसी भी इवेंट को या इंसिडेंट को। फाइन, या हम कह सकते हैं कि ये शॉर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जिसमें हम कह सकते हैं कि जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर पर्पस और ऑडियंस के लिए लिखा जाता है। फाइन, ओके, इट्स एग्जांपल्स इंक्लूड न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट, बिजनेस रिपोर्ट, school report, project report, and the research report. Fine. So these are the examples of report writing. Well, coming towards its purpose, that what basically report writing purpose is. So it aims to inform and sometimes to persuade. The purpose of report is essential to inform the reader about a topic. So its main purpose is like to inform your reader, fine, to inform your audience about your topic. Coming towards its features. Okay, so the first feature include it should be written clearly, as well as it should have evidence about a topic, problem, or a situation. Okay, the second is it is written in formal style. Okay, so the third feature involves we could say reports are written to present facts about the situation, project, or process and analyze the issue. And it has an abstract, or we could say a summary, that provides a brief synopsis of the contents. And report writing has a specific purpose and audience. It has clearly labeled sections and headings. If you have read about an outline, so actually you will have to make an outline, or we could say sections or heading. Fine. Well, it is written concisely and to the point, and it is written formally and objectively. Fine. So actually the question arises that why we write report, and the answer is to communicate a research process clearly and in simple words, to give a logical structure to methods, results, and finding of research, actually to inform the audience about the findings and recommendations of the research, and to provide a document that would be easy to read. So for this purpose we actually write report. Fine. So coming towards the format of report, or we could say structure of report writing. So the very first step include that is title page. So actually title page clearly describes what the report is about, and other details are also included like your name, date, and for whom the report is written basically. So the second step is an abstract. You will have to write an abstract, like you will have to briefly describe the content of the report, and it covers the aim of the report, what is the problem, what was found, how it was investigated, and what are findings actually. And it should be written in one paragraph and should be short, and it includes a purpose of report, like what you did. Actually you will have to analyze it, and what you found, like the results or conclusion are included in such stuff, and recommendations. So the abstract would be no more than 100 words, like it could be a short summary of your research work. Fine. आप essential points इसमें मेंशन करोगे, जो भी आपने रिपोर्ट राइटिंग की होगी तो उसमें आप इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे मेंशन करोगे, ठीक है, जिससे ऑडियंस जो अगर आप के रिसर्च को पढ़ेंगे ऑडियंस, तो वो जो है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट को पढ़ेंगे और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट से उसे आइडिया क्लियर हो जाएगा कि आपका टॉपिक किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है। फाइन. The next is table of contents. So it includes different chapters and headings plus subheadings with page numbers, convenient for reader to find out topics or chapters easily. And here comes we could say introduction. So it easily explain your problem statement, and your aims and objectives are explained in detail here in the introduction. Like, you will have to introduce your topic, you will have to describe your research method as well, and you will have to give background history of the topic. Then here comes the literature review. So actually, a literature review is a scholar paper which includes the current knowledge, including essential findings as well as theoretical and methodological contribution to a particular topic. Literature review are a basis for research in nearly every academic field. Fine, so it is basically used in a research proposal, or we could say used in report writing. That means आप का जो टॉपिक होगा, रिसर्च टॉपिक होगा, तो उससे रिलेटेड आप दूसरे पब्लिकेशन देखोगे, आइदर बुक्स हो गए, ठीक है, या आप डिफरेंट सोर्सेज यूज़ कर रहे हो, आर्टिकल्स वगैरह या जर्नल्स रीड कर रहे हो, जो भी है, तो उससे आप डिफरेंट एवेल्यूएशन, डिफरेंट ऑथर्स की पब्लिकेशन देखते हो, फिर आप अपने स्टडी में, अपने टॉपिक में, ठीक है, जो है वो इंडल्ज करते हो। रिसर्च टॉपिक जो होता है, आप जब उसे एलिब्रेट करते हो तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली आप दूसरे पब्लिकेशन भी डालोगे, ठीक है, जो कि आपके टॉपिक से रिलेट करेंगे। फाइन, नाउ हियर कम्स द मेन बॉडी. मेन बॉडी इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू सेक्शंस. These are methods, results, discussion and conclusion. So basically methods are of two types. Either you will use quantitative method or qualitative method. Okay, so quantitative method are numerical based, while qualitative method are descriptive based. Here comes the results. Okay, so these are basically the findings, or we could say the diagrams which you have mentioned in your research, the graph, the table of gathered data that support your result. Well, here comes the discussion. Like ये आपका एनालिसिस वाला पार्ट होगा. लाइक यू विल हैव टू एनालाइज योर टॉपिक. इट शुड बी लाइक डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन. The facts and evidences you gather, analyze and discuss with specific reference to the problem or issue. Then in the main body, the last step will be like your conclusion. You will have to conclude your topic. So what you will have to do in the conclusion, you will have to highlight most important points, information, central issues or findings. And then the next step would be recommendations, like what you want to recommend to readers further according to your topic of the report. Then here comes references. So these are a list of sources you used actually, books, articles, journals, newspapers, websites, etc. Then here comes at last the appendix. Well, appendix is to attach something, or we could say part at the end basically. So any information, we could say that is graphs, data or charts, table, whatever you have used in your research that you have discussed in your report but not included in the body. So this is what we call it appendix. Fine, that's all for today.